Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Suri Studio. Today we will discuss some basic commands. Here it is: VA editors, listing files and directories, filter commands, less, more, head, tail, sort, and set, and symbolic links. Okay, let's go to the putty. Yeah, last season we discussed about the how to create a files, creating a directories, copying a files, moving a files, and renaming and removing a files. Okay, today we will discuss VA editor. It's a mostly used command in Linux. Means to edit the files, we can use the VA editors. We have another editors in Linux, Emacs, gedit, but VA editor is the most popular. In VA editors, we have three modes: is there command mode, insert mode, and extended mode. We can call it as a colon mode. Command mode means once we open the VA editors, command mode will automatically opens. We can see we can create a file using the touch command. Yeah, just created a empty file. We can add the data with VA commands. VA vim. Yeah, here some data is there. We can try to add some data here. This is the command mode. If you need the insert mode, just click the I in keyboard. I It's went to insert mode. Now it is in insert mode. You can add the data here. Adding the new data. Okay, if you give the escape, it's exit from the insert mode. Then colon mode means after this adding the data, you need to save, right? Colon. W means writable, Q means quit. Whatever you added the data, it need to be saved and quit from the file. Just enter it. Yeah, now we can open the file. See here, adding the new data. VA editor is the editing the files in Linux. In command mode, we have some attributes is there. Means if you click the DD at a time, that total line will delete automatically. If you give the YY, the total line will be copied. If you give the press P, then that whatever we copied the file, it's pasted there. And then U button, U for undo, GG, it went to the beginning of the page. If you give the capital G, it's go to the end of the page. If you give the W, it's when to move the cursor forward. B for backward, means word by word it will move forward and backward. See, I am giving the YY in keyboard. Then I am giving the P. See, this is Linux course, it's pasting. If you want to delete the whole line, just DD in keyboard, it's deleting the whole line. Then if you want to go to directly on first line of the page, just give GG. See here, it's showing the 10 lines 159 characters. It will show the how many characters in the file and how many lines is there here. It shows. See, I am giving the GG. It went to the last page. I am giving the capital G. It went to the beginning of the line. If you want to enter into the fifth line, just colon, give the fifth line. It went to the fifth line. Okay, if you want to go to ninth line, it went to the ninth line. Okay, this is the colon mode. If you want to set the line numbers to the in this file, q colon sc, sorry, sc nu. See, line numbers will reflected here. If you want to open the multiple files in VI editor, we can open it through vi-o. I will open VIM as well as test file we created last session. See here, yeah, this is the first one, vim file, and this is the test file. It's showing this is the vim, this is the test. If you want to switch between the files, just give Control W in keyboard. See, it's switching. Next is listing files and directories, means how to list the files and directories in particular path. And if you want to see the files and directories in this path, just give ls. It will show how many directories and how many files is there in the path. Okay, if you want to long list the files and directories, ls-l, it will says, means these all are the permissions we will discuss later. This is the directory D. The file or directory it start with D, it's a directory. If it start with hyphen, it is a file. Okay, this RW means it is a permissions for that particular files and directories based on the umask values. We can discuss later about the permissions and all. This is the who is the owner of that file, and this is the group in that particular directory or file. This is the size of the file. This is the file when the file is created, and timings, this is the one, and here the name of the file. If you want to open the particular file, ls-l VIM, it shows the only that particular file, means what is the permissions. If you want to display the hidden files in that particular path, give ls-la. If the file is started with dot, return all the hidden files. See, this is the hidden file. This and all, this bash history, bash logout, bash profile, bash rc. If you want to see the hidden files, ls-la t star. If you give this command, the files which starts with T, it will display. See, only T and test1 is the files with starting with T. Next, filter commands: less, more, head, tail, sort, and set. Filter commands are used to filter the output so that the required things can easily picked up in that particular files and all. Okay, in filter commands we can see head, tail, more, less, set, and sort commands. First is the less command, is used to see the output line wise or page wise. Okay, in particular files there is a thousands of files is there, we can see the line wise or page wise. You can use the less commands. This is the most usable commands in Linux. See how we can /var /log messages. See, so many data is there here. For this we can see less command, less. If you give the less, it shows the output line wise or page wise. See, this is the first page, November 27. If you give the enter, it went to the next page. If you give the enter, it went to the next page. The output will see page wise. Or else we can give the D in keyboard, it went to the next page. If you give the B, it went to the previous page. Okay, if you give the slash, it search for the word can target. See, it search for the word target. The key, it's quit from the page. Okay, less command is used for the output line wise or page wise, or we can search the words in the particular file. more command. It's exactly same like as less command. Okay, if we give the more, it's same like less. See, but it's showing the percentage, means how much percentage in that file you can see like that. See, it's increased 1 percentage, 2 percentage, 3%. Then head command used to display the top 10 lines of the files. If I give the head /etc/password, it gives the only top 10 lines of the file. See, only top 10, but actually so many lines is there in /etc password. See, so many lines is there, but if you give the head command, it prints the only top 10 lines of the file. See, only 10 lines. Or else we can see, yeah, now if you give the head for this file, it gives the only top 10 lines of the file. Okay, if you want to only 5 lines of the file, we can give head hyphen how many lines you need, 5 lines, then file name. See, it gives the only 5 lines of the file. Tail command, then it's a full opposite to head. Head command displays the first top 10 lines. Tail command displays the last 10 lines. Tail VIM. See, it gives the last 10 lines of the, means it's include the space line as well, means empty line. See, top 10 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, top last 10 lines it will display. If you want to display the custom lines in tail commands, use the same this one command, tail hyphen 6 lines from last. See, from here from 4 to that last 6 lines is displayed. This is the tail command. Head command for top 10 lines, tail command for last 10 lines. Then sort command. Sort command means it's a the output in numeric or alphabetical order. It will sort the files. VIM. See here, empty lines displayed first, then 1 1 1 2 2 3 4. A. From here it's in alphabetical order, A D F H L. If you give the sort hyphen HVIM, see, got the difference. If you give the sort command without giving the attributes, it displays the first is an empty lines, then it displays the numbers, then alphabetical order. If you give the hyphen H command, first alphabetical order, then numbers. Hyphen D or hyphen H we can use. Hyphen U for the, if any duplicate lines is there, means same lines in the particular file, it's remove, then that output will display. See here, sort hyphen U file name VIM. It remove the duplicate entries from the output. Hyphen U for the remove the duplicate entries from the file. Next, set command. Set command stands for stream editor, means it is used to search the word of the file and replace with the new word. If you want to replace the word in a particular file, you can use the set commands. See here how we can, for example, cat VIM. In Linux I need to update as a administration. See how the set command will work. Set Yes. Then search for which word you are searching. Linux. Replacing with word. New Linux I am replacing with the word. Capital G. Then file name. See here. It's updated. In place of Linux, it's updated as a new Linux. Set command used for the search the word in the particular file and replacing the word. It's only modify the output, but there is no change in the original file. It's just output only it will show. It's not updating the original file. See cat vam. See Linux only there here. Linux. Then soft link and hard links. It's same like as a shortcut files in Windows. There is a difference in between the soft link and hard link. Main difference between the soft link and hard link is soft link is a shortcut file, hard link is a backup file. In soft link inode number is different, in hard link inode number is the same. What is inode number means every file and directory there is a unique number will generate while creating the file or directory, that is the inode number. Then one in soft link once the original file is deleted, that soft linked file is invalid, means it's not opened. But in hard links, if the even if you deleted the original file of the hard link, that hard link file will open. Command for soft link is ln -s, for hard link just ln. Okay, we can experience these links. See here we have a new one is there under. Now I can go with the soft link ln -s new one. Okay, I am giving enter. See here, give ls-l. See here, the starting of these links will starts with L. If the links applied for the particular file, that line will start with L. Soft to new one. Cat soft. Nothing is there in new one. That's why it's not showing. We can add some data in new one file. New one. Check more. See here, it's automatically reflect in soft as well. Okay, whatever we added in new one, that data will automatically reflected the linked file in the shortcut files. If you want to see the inode numbers, give ls-li. Inode numbers will generate, means it is a unique number for directories and files. See here, new one, it is a 7-1. For the linked file, it's a different. Inode number is different. That's why if you delete the original file of the soft link, that whatever the we link that files is invalid. I can delete the soft link file. New one. Yes. ls-l. See, it's showing the red, means it's invalid. Try to open the soft file. Cat soft. See here, no such file or directory. Can create a link. This is hard link. Okay, now I can apply the hard link for this file, link file. ls-l. For this file I am applying the hard link. ln link hard. ln after that source, then destination. Just give. Now ls-l. See here, it's created as a new file. not the linked file. You see the difference between the soft link and hard link here. If you give the soft link to the file, it's created like this. If you use the hard link for the file, it's created as a new file. Let's see with the inode numbers. ls-li. See here, for these two files the inode number is same. I'll delete this original file, this link file, cat hard. See, data is there. I'll remove -f link. -f means forcefully delete the file. Okay, ls-l. See, that original file is not there. I can try to open this linked file, cat hard. See, it's opening and data is with that. Okay, you can see the difference between the soft link and hard link. If you want to see the history of the commands what we experienced before, just give the history command. It will display the all commands which used before. Sorry, it's a spelling mistake. See here, history. Thanks guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.